Welcome back, YouTube, to another Fat Guy Builds. Today, a super easy one. We're changing a battery on a Malibu right here. And so I'll just go through this step by step. We're gonna pull off this tray. It's on two little pivots on each side. So you need to disconnect it in the back on both sides. Use a 10mm socket to loosen this right here, and that will make this whole piece come off. On the positive side, you have a little door. Pull the door up, same thing, 10mm right here. GM, you're all retarded over there. So, like, there's a wire attached here, so I can't fold it up. There's wires attached down here, so you can't fold it that way. So your only option is to unplug it here, use an 8mm, unplug this wire, and then disconnect this positive here. In the front, by the bumper, you have this plastic piece. You pull this, and there's a hold down for the battery right there. Once you disconnect this one, and this, now you can fold it and hold that up and pull this battery out. Lastly, before you pull the battery out, there's this little metal piece here with this fabric strap. And that must be some kind of weird safety GM device, so the battery doesn't fly out. I don't understand. Part number for the battery is a 49 PLT, and this one's a Super Start. Slide the new battery in, put this little strap thing here, and then reverse all the steps that you did to take it apart, and you're done. Thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Hopefully this helped you out and you didn't have to pay somebody and saved you some cash. If it did, subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you next time. Wrench on.